Piacentini, present arms.
Flag that flew over the station yesterday, commemorating Mark's 29 years here at Folsom. It's bittersweet because we're losing both Mark and, of course, Blitz in retirement, but they'll still be around in the peer support. And the other thing I did wanted to say is, Mark, you still have 12 hours according to your time that you set. No, congratulations and enjoy retirement. And thank you for your 29 years. And in case anybody noticed, Mark is the only one that is wearing white today. Mark absolutely does not like wearing white. So nobody else wore white for Mark, and then he ends up wearing white. After this, please everyone, we'll make our way to the classroom and enjoy some treats and some of Mark's favorites, of course, and coffee. And you're all welcome to stay and mingle with Mark.
All right. So super quick, I just want to thank everybody for coming here. I will tell you that in all 34 years, it goes by super quick. I remember my first day as a paramedic, as a team. I remember my first day as here. Brett Worthington, I saw you here somewhere. My very first captain, I remember asking a question, hey, we got, at the time, our weekly check for on Fridays. We got a Friday check today. What's different than a daily check versus a weekly check? I did not know anything about the fire service. And over that course of time, I've learned what I know now. I still know everything. There's still a lot to learn. And so, it's interesting, I was watching everybody smile. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing as I came down the line. Hopefully it's a good thing. Just a quick thanks, first and foremost, to my family, my wife and daughter, my mom, my brothers, who are all here, supported me through this whole career. I know they spent a lot of worrying hours when I was either just at work for my 40-hour shift, deployed on wildland fires for up to 2 weeks, going on, and a strong support at home, Jane, to hold down the fort while I was gone and handle it, because that always happens with your dog. So to my fire family, you guys have you've given me the most in the sense of challenges, both good and bad. I've learned and grown from each and every you. I probably trained or taught or mentor or somehow almost this entire department, which is kind of a cool thing to say. And I've seen you come in and grow, either hired you, trained you, or whatever. At some point we contacted and work together to work as a team and call you guys peers. I just want to say I will still be part of the Folsom Fire family, as the chief said. I still plan on staying our peer support team, which will still be Folsom Fire dog. I will bring him around from time to time. We are working on getting another dog for the agency, so Folsom will still have another dog coming. That's all in the works. But really, thank you. That's the most I can say. Just it goes by quick, so enjoy your time. Make your mark. I'll give you the 4 rules that I live by. First, we always run calls, right? The tones go off, we run our calls. That's our first condition. Doesn't matter where it is we go, we're going to be called. Second, we train, right? We practice for the calls that we may run. So we're all prepared and ready to go. Third, we take care of each other and take care of yourselves. So that means you eat, sleep, rest where you can. And the last one is don't generate complaints. Good customer service, right? Both internal and external. You can go by those 4 rules. Those are what kind of carried me through my career. Keep serving off the back, do your job, do it the best you can. And it's amazing. Thank you everyone for being here.
is working as well. She is with Folsom Fire.